In this video, we're going to be looking at some of the automated assignments within Hornbill Service Manager. So we're currently looking at my team's requests in this dashboard, with Daniel sitting at 14 incidents, whereas Brian only has 1. So what we'd like to try to achieve is to be able to automate the allocation of incidents more evenly across this team. So we're just going to switch over to the Hornbill administration, and we're looking at the incident process. Within here we see our node for doing the automatic assignments to the teams. Now from this list we can select from a number of different options, including the ability to do a round robin. But the one that we want to use is the most available analyst, and this is basically going to look at the number of active requests that are currently assigned to determine who gets the next request. And we just save and activate this process. We now switch back to our client. And we should expect when we raise our next request that this gets allocated to Brian. So I'm just going to go through and log a new incident. And we start by assigning a customer, providing a quick summary and description for this incident, selecting a service, and finish. And here we see that this has been automatically allocated to Brian. We click OK and come back to our dashboard view. We'll now see that both Brian and James are set at 2 incidents apiece. So as we go through our next incident, we should see this come through to Brian yet again. So we select our customer, enter in a quick summary and description, select the service, and we can see again, this has been allocated off to Brian. Now with James only sitting at 2 incidents, when we raise our next incident, we expect this to be allocated off to James. So we select our customer, a quick summary and description, desktop support service, and we see that this has been allocated to James. Click OK and back to our dashboard chart where we can see that these are now distributed more evenly across the team.